Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is action words. In today's session, we will understand action words. Things we do at some point of time is called as action. We are always doing some of the action. Right now, I am teaching you. मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, ये भी एक action है. Teaching is also an action. Anytime we do some of the action like eat, sleep, drink, play or something. हम कोई भी काम करते हैं वो कोई ना कोई action होता है. क्या होता है? Action. The things we do on daily basis is called as action. In today's session, we will understand about the action words. In today's session, we are going to understand about action words. You will read different action words and understand how to use them in the sentences. What is the action you doing right now? You are watching the video. You are watching. आप देख रहे हैं. देखना भी एक action है और देखने को कहते हैं watching. क्या बोलते हैं? Watching. Let us start the session and understand about action words. Here you will see the pictures and in the picture we will find out. Here students, in the picture you can see the boy is drinking. The boy is drinking. वो कुछ पी रहा है. पीना भी एक action है. The child is drinking milk. The child is drinking milk. Here the action word is drinking. Action word is drinking. The action word is drinking. Next, here you can see the girl is doing something. What is she doing? She is singing. The girl is singing. गाना गा रही है. गाना गाना तो अपने आप में ही एक एक्शन है. You can easily understand गाना गाना भी एक काम है, एक एक्शन है. तो singing is the action word here. What is the action word here? Singing. Drinking and singing. We got to know two action word now. The next you can see mother. And what mother is doing here, you can see this is a picture of a kitchen and the mother is cooking. Mother is cooking. Mother cook कर रही है. खाना बना रही है. खाना बनाना एक action होता है. Mother is cooking food. What is the action word here? Cooking. Cooking is the action. Mother is cooking food. And now here you can see the boy. The boy is having something, eating something. Khana is also an action. The boy is eating. The next action word we got to know is eating. The boy is eating. Cooking and eating are the two action words. Next here you can see the girl is skipping. The girl is skipping. जो girl है वो skip कर रही है. इस rope से skip कर रही है. Skipping करना तो एक activity होती है, action होता है. तो action है यहाँ पे skipping. Next comes up the boy is running. Here you can see with the action of boy, वो क्या करने जा रहा है? भागने जा रहा है. तो भागना, run. Running is an action. The boy is running. And here the small baby is crying. Yes, the small baby is crying. The baby is crying. Crying and running are the two action word in this slide. Next comes up sona. You know students, sona भी एक activity है, एक action है. Ravi is sleeping. Ravi क्या कर रहा है? Sleep कर रहा है. So the action word is sleeping. Whatever do is action word. The girl is, what is she doing? Writing. The girl is writing. Writing is another action word. Here the two action words are sleeping and writing. The girl is writing. And next you can see the boy is very happy and he is laughing. Boy is laughing. The boy is laughing. Hasna is also an action word. And the last is, here you can see the man and the man is walking. Right. The man is walking. The man is walking. We know different action words now like eating, cooking, sleeping, singing, running, walking, laughing, crying. All of the words are action words, जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम कौन सा एक्शन, कौन सी एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. ये जो वर्ड्स हमें पता चलते हैं उससे हम कहते हैं action words. क्या कहते हैं? Action words. I hope students you all are now aware with so many action words and can easily find out the action words you do. Like you are watching, I am teaching. That's all for today's session.